In this video, we're going to be speaking about 4 actions where you are liable to be fined $400 if you commit any of these actions. Stay tuned. So guys, if any of you want to read or find the exact provisions that I'm going to be quoting from today, you need to look at the Summary Offences Act, section 51. Now, putting discussions within context, these 4 acts that I'm going to be referring to about entertainment events and the entertainment industry. Now, this is what the law says. It says that any person who, during the presentation or performance on any stage play or concert or any dramatic or musical entertainment or in any form of entertainment whatsoever, or the holding of any dance in any building or place to which the public is admitted or has access and commits any of these 4 acts, you are going to be liable to a fine of $400. Number 1 is being indecently attired. Now, many persons would have differing view as to what being indecently attired really refers to. Some persons may say wearing scanty clothes, wearing too much clothes. Many persons may have different views. The case law is going to explain and define what indecently attired. So think about this. Those persons who may be at various events, those parties and other entertainment functions, who may be dressed in a particular way, would you consider that to be indecently attired? If so, and it falls within the parameters of the law, that person could be fined $400. Coming in at number 2 would be any person who performs any lewd or suggestive dancing or actions. That is against the law as well. Again, share in the comments below, what do you describe as suggestive or lewd dancing? And do you see that often happen at various entertainment events? Yeah, so if that falls within the parameter of the law as well, that those persons or that person could be fined $400. Number 3 says any person in any play, song, ballad, or speech uses language or makes use of any recordings which is profane, indecent, obscene, or which is insulting to any individual or section of the community, whether referred to by name or otherwise, you would be liable to a fine of $400. So Mr. DJ, any person who may be in any acts or skits or so, and you may use any obscene, profane, or indecent language, if it falls within the parameters of the law, you may be fined $400. Getting hot in here, but I'll have to keep this clothes on so that I don't get in any trouble. So that's number 3. Number 4 says any person who acts in a manner calculated to hold up to public ridicule or contempt any individual or section of the community, you may be liable to a fine of $400 if that occurs. Now, this last section, yes, that's one provision that you could use, but many persons may want to possibly consider a defamation action instead of this section. Now, I want to hear your comments on these 4 actions that I just mentioned, which may amount to an illegal act. Leave in the comments down there, do you think that these particular provisions need to be revisited or removed from the law books? Or do you think they need to be enforced? Share in the comments down there. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, just consider subscribing right below there and check out some of my other videos, you guys. Take care for now. Bye.